Welcome! If you're looking to enable camera permissions for the LinkedIn app so you can snap a new profile photo or join video calls, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to make sure LinkedIn can ask for camera access every time you need it. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings app. This is where you can manage all your device's apps and their permissions. Next, scroll down and look for the section labeled Apps, or it might be called App Management, depending on your device. Tap to open it. Here, you'll see a list of all the applications installed on your phone. Now scroll through the list and find the LinkedIn app. Once you spot it, tap on LinkedIn to open its settings. Inside the LinkedIn app settings, look for the Permissions option and tap it. This section controls what the app can access on your device, like your contacts, storage, and of course, your camera. Find Camera in the list of permissions, tap on Camera, and you'll see a few options for how LinkedIn can use your camera. Select Ask Every Time. This means whenever LinkedIn wants to use your camera, you'll get a prompt asking for your permission first. It's a great way to keep your privacy in check while still allowing access when you need it. That's it. You've now set LinkedIn to always ask before accessing your camera. This is especially useful if you want more control over your privacy, or only use your camera occasionally with LinkedIn. If you ever change your mind, you can revisit these settings and adjust permissions at any time. Keeping your app permissions up to date ensures you get the best experience while staying secure. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, consider subscribing for more quick tech tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.